CBS 6 Sky Tracker, sponsored by Hometown Realty.
Welcome back. We are continuing to keep a very close eye on a very active system down towards our south. Of course, we've got Hurricane Matthew, a Category 3. But look at this. We also have a cold front that's going to continue to ease across the Commonwealth heading into the next several days. Behind it, cooler and drier air. But that's not all. Look at this. This is Hurricane Nicole. Continue to ease our way in. Notice the flow, how we're beginning to bring in moisture as well as high wind speeds and splitting it up, splitting it from going just to Matthew now to Matthew and Nicole. Nicole is a Category 2 storm. Matthew has been decreased to a Category 3, but trust me, it is still intense. Winds are sustained at 120 miles per hour. Something to note with this system. Take a look at this. Here is your eye, and notice how we had a really small eye wall earlier on, and then we have got a wider one now. With the wider eye, even though it has decreased in wind speed, it's going to do more damage. Here's the easiest way I can think about. Think about being in a swimming pool and you use your finger and you just flick the water. Okay, well, it goes, you're using a lot of force. It goes pretty far, but it's not too much. But then put your whole hand and begin to ease it towards the side. You're going to get a lot more water even though you're moving your hand slower. So that's exactly what's happening along the coast. With this eye widening, even though the winds are less, we're talking about more surge, more rain, more wind impacting a larger vicinity of people. So this is going to be something we continue to watch incredibly close. It's going to continue to edge northwards around 14 miles per hour, just hugging the coast. That is why we do have hurricane warnings up and along all portions of Florida. And then now they are exceeding going into South Carolina as well as North Carolina. North Carolina, you're not under a hurricane warning right now, but you are under a tropical storm warning that could be increased heading into the next several hours as the system continues to approach. Now, as far as what we do have right now, of course, it's staying right off the shore, but we are seeing that eye widen. Like I told you, you're going to see some higher wind speeds taking place, so more damage. Going on into Saturday early morning, it is looking to decrease, becoming a Category 2 storm as it gets right along the Georgia-South Carolina line. And then as it begins to ease off into the North Carolina, notice how it continues that decrease because water temperatures are lower. So it needs warmer water to sustain that Category 3 system. So things will continue to decrease. And even though it gets back in warmer water anticipated by Wednesday, it has decreased so much, it's really lost a lot of strength, but it could potentially go right back to the Florida coast. For us, we are going to see impacts of the system, even though it does not directly push into our vicinity. You're going to have a lot of those outlines heading our way. So be prepared for some scattered showers and thunderstorms today, continuing all day Saturday and then early Sunday morning. So we've got a lot of rain headed our way, already received a lot of rain, so watch out for localized flooding. But behind that, we've got cooler and drier air to top out next week. Rob?